we are out here in North Carolina, in Emerald Isle, straight off Emerald Isle, about 4 miles. We're gonna be doing some offshore fishing out here. What's the target species for this first spot?
This first spot, we're gonna target the big Spanish and your kings for a little bit, and see if we can't get a couple bluefish stacked up. Just that way, maybe if we do end up needing shark bait, we'll have plenty of it for later. We'll see what it's got. Might as well.
Deal. Get some lines in the water, get some fish, get going.
Hold his back straight, a little bit loose, come back up. Trailer on the tail, leave it open. He's swimming. That's a fish on. Fish on. Whoa. Come on, pop out of there. The cheap riggers work their magic. Stick it. In the boat. Fish in. What you want to do with these? You want to make sure you lay his head in the ice.
We're moving out. How far are we moving out? Another 8 miles?
10 miles.
Another 10 miles, and we're gonna be doing some bottom fishing. So change it up a little bit. I gotta connect here. So gotta make it happen, because right now, 0 out of 10.
Right now, yeah, we gotta get you on something. You know when you watch the tuna shows and they talk about getting a mark?
And then
yeah,
down here, that's pure bait fish.
Okay.
When you get a dark orange on top of that yellow, that'll be the actual wreck.
Yeah, get in the boat.
Like this.
Oh, it came off.
Amberjack, big AJs, big AJs. He's right there.
Oh, he just ate my fish. He just got it. Should I leave it?
Let him run.
Yeah.
Let him run.
Oh my God. Oh, are you ready? Wait, he didn't get it yet. He cut me off. That was crazy. Yeah. Doubled up.
Oh yeah. The gag grouper. Maybe, but do not put your fingers in his gills. Catch you wide open. Bassmaster pull-ups. Never fish that way.
Come to Papa. Sweet. First gag grouper.
First gag grouper and first awesome one of the year on this boat. Look,
oh, that is awesome.
Teamwork makes dream work.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna try him, man. Here,
Looks like he's got a bite on his tail or something.
Yeah, he's got a weird mark on his tail, doesn't he?
Tyler's got us out here putting us on fish with his dad. We're having a dandy time.
Just shout out to Jeff for the wing ding. It does work out here in the deep sea too. I was like, you know what? I had a little faith in it, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get in there and tickle the reef.
He catches a willy on the wing ding. Oh, not as bad as that metal one.
Woo. Yeah, baby.
Good God, freaking Spanish. Stud. Big old Spanish mackerel. That is what I'm talking about.
That's awesome. Tyler's got us out here catching studs. Woo! Out here catching beauties with Tyler.
He wound up with the big Spanish.
The hope is that it weighs up 5. Hey! Awesome. Beautiful.
Beautiful grouper.
Oh, man. Never caught a gag grouper before. We went from ocean to plate right here. And
now it's fresh. As fresh as you're gonna get.
Fresh as it's gonna get. So we're gonna dig in. Look at that. It's delicious. Tyler cooked it on up.
Slice it right.
Cut.
Slice it.
So we're heading off to do some shark fishing now. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna head to what's the pier called?
Bogue Inlet Pier.
Bogue Inlet Pier. Bogue Inlet Pier.
We're gonna catch some fish. We've already caught some fish. We're gonna catch some more fish. Hopefully catch something with some teeth.
Jacob from the ANGLR Tour. We're out on Bogue Inlet Pier. We're out here with Tyler. We got the gear. Check out this shirt.
Yeah.
That's a bad shirt. Hopefully we get into a few big sharks, keep them out of the piers if we hook up to them, and yeah, Tyler's gonna give us the laydown of what the rigs are looking like, so go check out what Tyler's doing.
Should be in the bucket. I got him, Jacob!
We were just about to pack up,
We were literally grabbing the rod to pack up.
and we got the shark to bite, man.
This is
awesome. Tyler and I both got a fish tonight.
This is actually a lemon shark. This is kind of a rarity for us. See how yellow he is? All that bright yellow he gets on his fins. They say it's a lemon shark because how his meat tastes. They say it's got a lemony flavor to it.
Get this lemon back in the water. That was too awesome. We'll just walk him out. Right there.
Jacob, thank you for coming to North Carolina, man.
Awesome. We did it, guys. ANGLR Tour came to North Carolina, conquered it.
That's
Tyler out here putting us on the fish.
We're on like 6 species today. Angler will be all up and down the East Coast. So,
yes, sir.
we'll see what we can do.
Feels good.
Appreciate
man.
you coming with me, boys. Y'all come back anytime you want to.
Catching pigs with Eric, man. Big board back in the water. Good peacock here.